Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Creation. So friends, how are you all? I hope all will be well. So friends, today I will share with you the very beautiful crochet cushion covers designs. Before starting the video, I request all of you to subscribe to my channel. First and also make sure to follow. Be sure to press the bell icon. You can see very beautiful and stunning designs shown to you people in it. If you like today's video, please like the video and share it with your friends and family members. So I will keep sharing similar designs with my dear friends daily inshallah. Be sure to let us know in the comment box how you like our videos. If you want to watch any video related to crochet, visit my channel. May Allah Almighty keep you all happy and keep your homes inhabited, and may you continue to enjoy my videos like this. Ameen. Let's go, inshallah. We will meet again in a next video. All the designs that I am sharing with you today are all new designs brought to your channel in the first time. You can also buy to the market about such designs. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. If you guys are interested in my video, you can follow my channel Creation. I am very grateful to the people who have subscribed to my channel. Video is very helpful and useful for you guys. Please subscribe my channel and press bell icon to get the latest updates. Take care, stay with me. We'll remember in prayer, and bye.